On today's episode, I'm cleaning the 350Z's headlights with Meguiar's Headlight Restorer kit, but you can apply this to any car with rubbish headlights. Yeah, so it's the improved Meguiar's one-step headlight restoration plus the wheel pad and the pads. Restore them. Yeah, easy enough instructions, they're just there. You can pause the video if you want to. But yeah, easy enough. You get the polish and then 2 sanding pads. They're all numbered. You start with 1, flip it over to 2, 3 and 4, and just get finer as you go. You get a polish pad. I've already used it before. And obviously, if you're wet sanding, some water to spray on. I've already done one. This one here, a lot cleaner. And then the one I'm gonna do with you guys is that one. You can see that side, it's a bit foggy. Straight on you can't, but yeah, it's quite foggy. So I'm hoping to get them wrapped. So that's why I'm cleaning them up, so they just look better. So obviously if I wrap it like that, it just doesn't look that great. So yeah, clean them up as much as I can. Get the car washed, because the wet sand's all over it. And then I'll show you wraps tomorrow. I'll set the GoPro up and put it like here, so you can get a bit of view whilst I'm working on it, but I'll show you the pad when I'm changing the pad over.
Chooky beat.
So I've just finished wet sanding. It's already a lot cleaner. Like I said, it first pad, and then second pad, third pad, and then fourth pad. So they're just cross-hatching, so they should counter each other out. So yeah, next we'll be putting that stuff on with the drill and the pad. And then I'll show you what it looks after it's been polished. Because obviously it's a bit cloudy because it's wet sanded, but the polish will clear it up, so it looks just as good as this one. Just finished restoring both the lights now. Pretty simple, literally takes about 15 minutes with the sanding and then the polish. So I'll show you the results of both. I give it a wash, and then tomorrow I'm going to get them tinted with a headlight tint, the Tint Factory, Leicester. I'll see if they can let me vlog there. bit of exposure if they want it or not. If not, I'll just cut out where I'm getting it done. I'll just probably just put their Instagram down here or in the description below. But yeah, I'll show you the result. That's the one you saw with the GoPro footage, and I showed you was the bad one. I'm not sure which one was worse before I restored them, but you can see from the side profile it's nice and clear now. But yeah, definitely needs a wash because it's got bugs all over, and obviously the wet sand's just ruined it.
Choky beat.
The next day.
Choky beat.
So yeah, I went to the Tint Factory Leicester this morning, got my headlights tinted. I put his Instagram below and his website and Instagram in the description below. He does tints, headlight tints, full wraps, partial wraps, D-chromes, all sorts. Just check his website out or give him a message on his Instagram. That's how I got in contact, and he should be able to sort you out with your wrapping or tinting needs. So I'll get on with showing you the car.